I've generated 4K for my clients in the past 3 weeks only with launching this offer. I help coaches and community owners that are currently making less than 3K a month cash collect at least 10K within 90 days using my strategies. If you want to know more about what I do, make sure to book a call down below, and let's dive straight into the video. So I have this question a lot. This question has been asked a lot to me lately. How do I make sure that I make my price seem lower on calls? And I always tell them, well, don't, just be honest. But if you do this, make sure you do it the right way. Make sure you do it my way. So make sure you don't say, okay, man, yeah, I'm gonna make you an offer. Normally I would charge 1.5K for this, but today I'm in a generous mood. I think you're my friend. Let me charge 750 for you. Just because you're my friend. That doesn't build trust. Like, everyone knows that tactic where you basically say, oh, the price was higher originally, but because I love you so much, let me give you a lower price. No. Nah, bro. Don't do that shit. So what I do instead is I don't say that my price was higher originally. I make sure that I put some urgency and scarcity in there. So what you can say, for instance, is, okay, bro, so currently I have this price, $500, only for the next 2 people who join. I have a lot of calls, but after this, so let me know if you want to save your spot, bro. Just like that. Just like that. You don't say that the price was higher, but you put some urgency behind it, so they are more likely to, just say, okay, bro, get me in there. And even if they are not able to, spend the whole amount immediately, just say, okay, bro, you can make a deposit of like $100, $200, just to save your spot. And yeah, man, you can pay the rest later when I actually make you some money. But then I do want a higher rev share, because you paid a bit less upfront. Just make sure you put some urgency and scarcity behind them. Like, sort of like, not threat them, but sort of pressure them to think that, oh, bro, this guy has a lot of people are actually interested in his stuff. But don't fucking lie. Don't you lie to this guy. Like, that's the main thing that people are now gonna implement after I just mentioned this. Don't lie to these guys. Like, don't say, oh yeah, bro, I got 20 calls after this. Nah, if it's not true, don't say that shit. Make sure you are being honest, bro, because honesty builds the most amount of trust. And when you are being seen as the guy that people trust, people will trust you more, obviously. Obviously, man. And then are more likely to buy you eventually. Just use this only when you have like some guys who are actually interested, when you got some DMs. Just make sure you leverage every single small interest and leverage that in your in your message, bro, to him. Make sure you leverage that. And you can also like say, okay, the price increases from 500 to 1500 or something after I've signed like 2 more clients. But make sure, again, bro, don't lie about this shit. Like, that's not cool, and in the long run it's gonna harm you because people will find out about this. Like, bro, you have so much ecom gurus at the moment who basically say, oh yeah, bro, we only let 10 people in a month. I see them signing 50 people a month, bro. Like, no, that just breaks trust in the long run, but also in the short term. It's just gonna cause you some harm on your business, man. Your reputation is gone when you do that shit like that. I'm basically a trust guy, bro. I believe so much in trust building. It's insane, man. Like, when you build trust, when you truly care about your clients and build so much trust with them and actually get the results, like, people will love you, bro. People will fucking love you. And that's the thing, man. Gotta make sure that you never lie to these guys, because that's just not fair. Do that, bro. Make sure you don't say it was higher. Don't do that. I mean, you can do that, but don't lie, obviously. So yeah, man, if you want to know more about what exactly I teach my clients in order to have them generate 4K in 3 weeks and 1.6K in one single day, book that call down below. And who knows, bro? See you on the call, but I'll definitely see you in the next video. Adios.